Hey, if you used to make content on YouTube, right, and you are a YouTuber, but unfortunately YouTube deleted your channel, either you create your own content or others edited content, so that's doesn't matter, but matter how you can get back that channel back. So this is my one of friends account, which is also deleted. See the sticker, and this is the email. So I log in with this account on Chrome with this. See, now I'm going to open here YT Studio, and I'm telling you that it would not open because YouTube is deleted, and YouTube Studio is only for YouTube account, so it wouldn't happen. See, login. So it will show like this. You have what you have to do now. You have to go to the desktop site, right? Desktop site mode. If you're using phone, so please go desktop site mode, home friendly, so you can. So here is a begin appeal, right? Begin review. So you can review your channel and appeal to get it back. So this is what you can do. And if your channel is deleted, please do it, and write it in a way you have only one chance to get your channel back, and YouTube will give you. So start appeal, right on start appeal, and next. Now I'm telling you that I got 3 channels, but unfortunately I was unsuccessful. I couldn't get one channel back, and I will tell you that what was the reason that I couldn't able to get that. So this is now here. You have to select your email ID, then write here appeal, and appeal should be like, in a way, you are just new, you are a new person, you don't have a knowledge about YouTube, you don't know their violations, their terms and conditions. This word you don't have to write here. Make sure no word related to violation, no to terms and conditions. These things makes that YouTube think you were aware of it, and you did it by your choice, right? So hey, it was my first time on YouTube, and I want to grow on YouTube. Please give me one more chance. Forgive me and give me one more chance. I assure you that it wouldn't happen again. Please give me one more chance. Please make sure to write what I told you. Don't write the words violation, terms and conditions that make it tough to write. And now, after submitting it, you have 24 hours in which you will notified that you got or not. Understood? So I got this channel in 17 hours. 17 hours. So let's complete the process, this appeal, and I'll show you next step. So write in a manner that you are accepting your mistake, making apology, and want to grow on YouTube, and assure that it won't happen again, and give me one more chance. This is it, how you have to write. Now submit this appeal, and it is submitted, and so thanks, we have got your appeal. After 24 hours you will get result. Either you will get your channel, either you will get no more chance to appeal, right? So let's wait for that. Now I'll back with the video only. Time is now 3:34.
So guys, it's been 17 hours, and now let's check what's the response of YouTube's on our appeal. So open the Chrome, and I have to open again that tab, right? Channel appeal. Open it again, switch to the desktop site. See here, this is what it has written. see there is option available for YouTube. You can see now. Thanks to God, I got my channel. This is my channel, inspirational videos. Now I will show you that. I'm just opening in front of you only. See, this was the motivational videos I created, and it was 2 years ago I tried on this channel, and I got it back. I'm showing you this again. Wait a little bit. See, here is visible in YT Studios too. So you can see now, it is visible now, right? And I hope your channel will also be returned by YouTube. Just follow this. I know what's the pain if you are a creator, you put your 100% in creation and still you got somehow some strikes and YouTube deleted your channel. That feels so bad, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, as again you can ask related to any this, I will help you. In next video I will tell you that YouTube doesn't pay in some cases, like yellow dollar. So help me guys in growing on YouTube, and I will assure you that I make quality content. If you need any help, just DM me or comment. I will. Thank you.